Good morning to all. Please join us as we continue to explore the wonders of healthy living on our channel. The incredible health advantages of consuming water first thing in the morning are something we are quite excited to share with you today.
Number 1. The importance of morning hydration. Water is necessary for life, and beginning each day with a glass of it can be quite beneficial to your health. Our bodies become naturally dehydrated after many hours of sleep, which is why morning water is so helpful. Starting your metabolism off right in the morning with hydration sets you up for an active and energized day. Number 2. A boost to your metabolism. Up to 30% of your metabolic rate can be increased by drinking water in the morning, which will help with digestion and nutrition absorption all day. If you're trying to maintain a healthy weight or perhaps lose a few extra pounds, this straightforward routine can make all the difference. Number 3. Flushing out toxins. Your body is naturally cleansed by morning water. It aids in eliminating trash and toxic substances that have accumulated overnight. Your organs will work at their best if you keep your body hydrated, which will improve your overall health. Number 4. The power of mind and mood. Not only is hydration important for the body but also for the mind. Your mood and cognitive function can both be enhanced by drinking water first thing in the morning. By maintaining hydration, you may think more clearly and approach the day with optimism.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
Number 5. Enhancing skin health. Morning water is also beneficial to your skin. A healthy glow and a more youthful complexion can be achieved through proper hydration. Say goodbye to dry, dull skin and hello to a youthful, vibrant appearance. Number 6. Supporting a strong immune system. The key to maintaining health is having a strong immune system. Your body's protection against infections and illnesses is strengthened when you drink water first thing in the morning. Drinking water in the morning is a proactive step in maintaining good health since it feeds your immune system. Number 7. Relieving morning aches and pains. Morning water can be a natural cure for pain and stiffness if you frequently wake up with them. Drinking water helps relieve joint pain and muscular soreness, so you can start the day feeling rejuvenated and ready to take on the world. Number 8. Building a healthy morning routine. It's time to establish a healthy morning routine now that you are aware of the benefits of morning water. Your health and well-being will improve if you include a glass of water in your morning routine.
The wonder of morning water is now revealed. This easy but effective routine can change your mornings and enhance your general health.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for joining us, and here's to starting every morning with a glass of water and embracing a healthier life. See you next time.